The new iPad Pro is here. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMAC, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today we do have the brand new iPad Pro in my hands. The 11-inch M4 iPad Pro, which from what we've heard is remarkably thin. So I'm very excited to see how much power this iPad Pro could actually pack while still being very thin. We shall see, we're gonna see. But I figured with a new Apple tablet being released in the box, we gotta unbox it. So that is what we are gonna do today. The unboxing of the iPad Pro. Quick look at the box, the iPad Pro right there with its new tandem OLED display. Very excited to actually experience that with my own eyes to see what that's all about. But on the right side of the box, you can see iPad Pro. On the left side of the box, iPad Pro. Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom. And then of course your serial number, model information, all that good stuff on the back, but you don't care about any of that. You care about what's in this bad boy, right? So let's see. We shall do that right now. 1, 2, and we're ready. The reveal of the new 11-inch M4 iPad Pro. The new iPad Pro, but before we actually get to that, that is so thin. Before we get to that, just gonna have to wait just a second. We're gonna have to see what else comes inside this box. First thing you're gonna see is a little packet of information here, designed by Apple in California. And inside this, if we were to remove all this, you will see an iPad Pro quick start welcome guide. So in case you didn't know how to actually turn it on and how this thing works, little welcome guide there for you to read. Also in this packet of information is a little safety handling, battery and charging, lasers, hearing damage, medical device, all that information guide right here. But what else comes in the box? You will see your Apple USB-C power adapter right here with a little bit of cellophane / paper we could remove. This is going to be a 20-watt power adapter, so that is included alongside a very nice black USB-C to USB-C cable, a 3-foot braided black USB-C to USB-C cable for actually using to charge up and whatever else you want to do with your iPad Pro. We shall slowly the iPad Pro. Oh, look how thin that is. That's insane. A remarkably thin, remarkably light iPad Pro. Oh my word. Absolutely crazy. But I know what we gotta do. We gotta turn this puppy on, so we shall do that right now. Boom, the Apple logo. And even just looking at this Apple logo right now, you can tell it's an OLED display, but I'm gonna see what this actually looks like once it's all started up. Can't tell much off just the Apple logo. Oh my goodness. Even on just the welcome screen with this color splash background, it looks nice. Looks really nice. But here's the thing, we're in the setup process now. I'm not gonna bore you with this whole setup process. I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's all gonna be done. It's set up. The M4 iPad Pro being turned on and used for the first time. There is so much to test with this iPad between what it's actually capable of as a tablet, which we already know is probably gonna be a lot, and then also what this new OLED display is all about and how big of a difference it could actually make. So I've got a lot to test with this bad boy, but initial thoughts right here with how thin it is and how great the display looks. There's a lot to be excited about. So if you're not yet already doing so, please remember to smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so that when my full review video for the M4 iPad Pro drops on this channel, you can be one of the first to know. And if you're interested in seeing the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the M4 iPad Pro, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/M4 iPad Pro, or of course as always, there's gonna be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. But with that having been said, I do not know what to do first with this thing, besides admire it for its amazing thin beauty. So much to test. Oh my goodness. Do I just go like watch a crazy HDR movie right now? What do I do? What do I do first? I'll see you guys in my next video.